I think y'all are gonna be sick of me because it's another hiking video. Please don't hate me, ne? How are you? It's been so long. Yes. Jeez, bruh. You didn't bring anything, right? And see, you didn't give me a hug. I didn't. Oh, hi. I feel like with you, I feel like it feels like we see us. Not in comparison to them too, it makes sense. It makes sense. It's my mom's. Yeah, crazy, né? Weird. Anyway, I didn't even know to do an intro. Anyway, hey y'all. Officially saying hi to you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I think y'all are gonna be sick of me because it's another hiking video. Please don't hate me, ne? Please don't hate me because this is gonna be like what, the third time? But I bet the people in Pretoria were like, hiking in Pretoria. Yes, we're in Pretoria, we're hiking in Pretoria. There's hiking trails in Pretoria. So you're welcome. You're welcome. I'm with my friends, they're laughing there. You know, hey, that's what's up. That's what's up. Hey, hey. So yeah, come along and join the journey. Hope you enjoy. Currently looking for place to sit as we wait for one of our chomzalas. Yeah.
I don't feel like that. No. They can use all the
Are you guys sure you don't need the bathroom?
No.
10K guys. 10K.
10K is nothing.
I mean, we will find a bush. If we need, we'll just find a bush. Easy. Then everybody greets.
Look at you, like a sausage girl. I feel so with a dress.
Hi, I'm good. How are you? Look at us. Look at us. This is so cute. You really do. Hey, we're all here. Hey.
YouTube. What's the thing?
But then drink that's it. So the thingy, the one we're taking is a mixture of the two. No?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Shout out Pretoria. I didn't expect much from you.
Who's number one? Jay-Z? No, that's cool. It's okay. That's
Drake
okay.
number 3.
That's okay. I thought Drake was gonna be number one.
M's not even on the list.
Eminem? Who else was on the list?
Gooch.
Gucci who? Gucci Mane? Was on the list and Eminem went on the list? Shout out my nigga Gucci. Shout out my nigga Gucci.
My nigga Juicy. Gucci.
Shout out my nigga Gucci.
What time is it?
10:48.
10:48. We just started.
A little bit.
But too, they said they tired already. The people behind me.
Did you eat? I ate a little bit. Yeah.
At least. Good.
Yeah, we'll be fine. Exactly like we've never done this before. What? Come on. 10K, mama, guys. I didn't know what you got. How did you get? Too soon. Too soon.
No ways, guys. No ways. Guys, when they say Bible study, come join Bible study.
That is when
No.
the danger is.
Don't do it.
Really don't.
Jeez. Muchon. Actually. And don't even tell us. Emang. Yebo. I'm okay. Wait, the show was full. The score was full.
Got in the water. And nobody can hear it.
Like everybody was just on some woo. I'm sure your socks are going through it.
Texting. Hey. Me, I feel dizzy already. I'm already feeling. Yeah, I'm not about. We're too tall for this. So what, we reached 5K?
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice. Guys, how you feeling after 5K?
I'm feeling good, refreshed. Oh my gosh.
Another one, unstable.
That's good.
Girl is farting over there.
I think 10K days was like.
Yeah, I think we're still on
The first 5 was so quick, hey?
Yes. Made it
we're not
quick.
going up, that's why.
Yeah.
Going up, so it's like,
And you said this was not gonna feel like.
And there's a time we're like, yeah, guys, we're finally going down.
Didn't you say it was going?
I'm not complaining. I complain, guys.
Well, and she did.
Okay, it's not as long as the it's from the beginning to now. Whose story is next?
Well. Next question. See ya.
Can you see how we're all on our phones? Crazy. That's insane. Oh, okay, she's... Okay. When? Areng, let's go. Hey, no time to celebrate. Let's go. Literally, because wow, we made it. Moral of the stories: leave men alone.
Essentially, what I'm saying is, moral of the story: don't count your chickens before they hatch. Cause what you gonna do when you just have a yolk and no chicken? Huh? You're gonna crack it, fry it, eat it. Then what? Repercussion? What? How many chickens? 0. It's just eggs.
It's just a yolk.
It's just a yolk.
We made it. Yay.
Another team that we made.
Hey. Oh. Oh. The sun didn't make things better. Yar. So, let's rest a bit. The sun is hitting just nice, ne? We're on our way to Mainland. Thank you for telling them. I forgot. Now I'm just taking out the camera. I'm just. When
We had a good time hiking.
yeah.
Now we're
At some point we thought it would never end, eh? Yo. So we're at Mainland Girls. We're minded. We made up with the other. Here they are. Hey. We're gonna find something to eat. I think we're going to Paris. Our broke asses are going to Paris. Watch us. Hey. Anyway, yeah. We'll catch you guys there.
Give me your friend Lucy made us walk.
What's up?
And then you make a change.
Hey.